Hi, you there. You always wanted to cosplay Bennett from the hit game Hello Charlotte and you're wondering how to replicate his eye pleek? Well, you're lucky because I'm here to show you how to do it. But first of all, what is Hello Charlotte? And who is Bennett? Hello Charlotte is an RPG Maker game series made by Rain, which has 3 mainline games and 2 spin-offs. You play as Charlotte Wilshire and you go through various eventful things, like ancient gods, this oracle librarian, aliens, winch halls, puppeteers, and a feeling of emptiness after finishing the games. It's a really good game. You should play it. And Bennett is basically the coolest character ever. He works in the house for this guy, alongside his co-workers, he loves watching TV, he consumes soap, and he's a gamer. Oh, and he has a pretty fucked up backstory like all the other characters in this game. Let's go! There are many ways on how to replicate the eye pleek with makeup. When I first cosplayed him, I only used watercolors, which is a great start if you're cosplaying him for the first time. But I'm here to show you my current method. For that, you need a few things. You need pocket tissues, liquid latex, glass eyes, which you'd usually use for puppets or plushie crafts, spirit gum, a Creme makeup palette, which includes these colors, watercolors, transparent powder, a small plate, some aluminum foil, a disposable latex sponge, cotton swab or 2, and a cup of water or a sink nearby. First, I map out the eye pleek infection with a small brush using red watercolor, which will help you when applying the liquid latex later. I only use the area under my eye because I'm still a little scared to apply the makeup over my eyebrow, so basically I'm going for Hello Charlotte episode 2's Bennett look. But if you do want to apply it over your eyebrow as well, and go for episode 3 Bennett's look, I highly recommend applying some water-based glue over your eyebrow to protect it from the liquid latex. Next, I take a tissue and peel off one thin layer. Afterwards, I start to rip it apart. Make sure that there are no straight edges and there are only ripped ones. They should be around this big. Now I'm gonna take the liquid latex, the disposable latex sponge, the plate, and some aluminum foil. I cover the aluminum foil around the plate and put some liquid latex on it. Now I start applying the liquid latex on my skin with the sponge. I take one tissue piece, press it on the latex, and cover it with latex again. I'm gonna repeat that until the mapped eye pleek is filled with it. It's also important to mention that if you never used liquid latex before, make sure that you are not allergic to it. Some people have severe latex allergies and you don't want to find out while applying it near your eye. So I recommend testing it out first on your arm or maybe undergoing an allergy check at your doctor. You should make sure to not get the liquid latex in your hair because it can be pretty painful to get it off again. Also, don't apply the latex too close to your eye and be very careful around it. Now that everything is filled out, go over the edges from the eye pleek makeup with some liquid latex again, so it doesn't start to peel off when doing face gestures. And I'm done! You can wait around 10 minutes until it dries by itself or use a blow dryer to fasten up the process. Once everything is dried, I use the transparent powder over the eye pleek to prevent the latex from sticking. Now we can continue with coloring the eye pleek. For that, I use my Creme makeup in a cotton swab. I start with the brown color because we don't want it to look too red. Next I go over it with the orange color and mix it with the brown to get a nice darker red. Lastly, I take another cotton swab and use the red pinkish looking color to make it look even more realistic and a little bit shiny. In the next step, I pick up some glass eyes, 4 to be exact, apply some spirit gum on the backsides and glue them on my face. Make sure to wait around 10 seconds while applying them so they really stick on the face. Once the glass eyes are applied, you wanna use the watercolors to paint the rest of the eyes. For that, you only need the colors white and black. I usually start with the color white to paint the dermis first, and in the end, I use black to draw the outlines of the eyes. As you can see, I kinda screwed up with painting the eyes because I was using a pretty small mirror and I had to go over with white and black all over again. So yeah, mistakes can happen and it's okay. And you're done! Congratulations! You got eye bleak, and you're now ready to rock your Bennett cosplay. Thanks for watching, and if you have some questions left, ask me in the comments and I'll answer them for you. And since I forgot to record that, you can easily peel off the liquid latex mask and wash the rest of the colors from your face with some water. And you can also reuse the glass eyes and you can easily clean them with water as well. So yeah, have a great day! Bye bye!